Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Today we begin an exciting journey into the world of 5-star hotel engineering drawings and documentation. This course uncovers how technical drawings bring luxury hotels to life with precision and elegance. Why this course matters. Behind every luxury experience lies flawless engineering. Hotel drawings make sure every system runs safely, smoothly, and efficiently. In this course, you will discover why these drawings are the hidden language of comfort and safety. What you will learn. You will gain the ability to understand the essentials of engineering drawings, from basic symbols to complete layouts. You will learn how to interpret HVAC, electrical, drainage, and fire safety schematics in a way that is simple and practical. Real hotel applications. These are not just theories. You will see how drawings are applied in real hotels. From boilers and chillers to power distribution systems and fire safety layouts, you will understand how documentation shapes daily operations. Skills for your career. This course will give you the confidence to read, interpret, and use engineering drawings in actual hotel projects. You will be able to communicate effectively with engineers, contractors, and hotel management while showcasing your professional skills. Hands-on learning. Through case studies and real hotel examples, you will practice creating and analyzing P&IDs, SLDs, and HVAC layouts. Each step of learning is designed to help you apply knowledge immediately in your work. Boost your confidence. No more confusion with technical diagrams. By the end of this course, you will clearly understand complex schematics and feel ready to take on engineering challenges in luxury hotel projects. Why it is unique. This course is designed especially for luxury hotel environments. The content is simplified for technicians, supervisors, and multi-skill staff who want clarity without heavy technical jargon. How this helps you. With these skills, you will improve efficiency in hotel operations, prevent costly errors, and ensure guest comfort and safety. You will become a valuable professional who truly understands the backbone of hotel engineering. Get ready to learn. This course will transform how you look at engineering drawings. Enroll today and unlock the secrets that make 5-star hotels run seamlessly. Your journey in hospitality engineering starts here.